大家好，歡迎翻到嚟我哋呢個 Summer Course 嘅呢個暑期第一期嘅一個特別嘅部分，就係一個 Self Study Content，一個 bonus 嘅部分嘅。咁我喺呢個機會會講一講呢一橛嘅。咁第一樣嘢，我哋有呢個 grammar collocation 啦。咁呢度就係一啲常見嘅字同埋佢哋一啲 part of speech 係需要好好認真咁望一望嘅，甚至可以記一記嘅。因為你要記住咧，你記得呢啲字唔單止係 writing 有用嘅，甚至有時 reading 咧都可以幫你理解一下篇文嘅意思嘅，所以好值得知道呢啲字嘅意思同埋一啲唔同嘅 form 嘅。咁如果唔係報我哋 course 嘅同學有興趣可以 screenshot 一下或者 comment 叫我俾翻嗰份嘢你啦。咁呢度第一版啦，呢度係第二版啦，咁呢度都係第三版嘅。咁好快，我哋 move on 去講一講乜嘢 subject-verb agreement 嘅。咁 subject-verb agreement 啦，中文好複雜咁講一講，就係咩句子中主詞啊同動詞喺數量上必須一致嘅。咁我相信大家咧，如果開始熟熟地咧，就唔再擔心呢啲問題嘅。嗱，咁主詞動詞一致性規矩啦，咩單數主詞配單數動詞，其實就唔使記得咁複雜嘅啫。其實簡單啲講，就係你講單數嘅時候咧，我哋成日就會俗稱話，你講緊一個人或者一樣嘢嘅時候。例如 the cat runs fast 就係要加 s 啦 ，third person singular。咁如果下面你係講緊一堆嘢啦 ，the cats 好多個，咁就淨係咧唔使加 s 嘅，就加個動詞 run fast。咁下面呢個就係集合名詞 collective nouns。咁有時就係講一個整體，佢就需要用一個單數嘅動詞。咁呢度咧其實好簡單解釋嘅啫。我哋喺呢個例子中可以見到 the team wins every game， 其實係講緊成隊，所以咧就係以一個整體嚟講，所以我哋就會講呢一隊贏得每場比賽。咁同翻我哋上面講嗰樣嘢啦，如果你講緊一樣嘢，咁就可能加翻呢個 third person singular 嘅呢個 s， 所以就 the team wins every game。咁如果呢個集合名詞呢個 connective nouns 講緊個體成員，講緊一啲即係隊員啊，喺呢個例子度，例如 the team are arguing among themselves， 咁你可能會問啦，咁點解呢個情況下咧又唔使用 is 或者 are 嘅？咁因為咧我哋呢個情況下其實就係指緊 the team members。一個眾數 are arguing among themselves， 咁就唔係用 is 噶啦。咁我哋會講到下一個部分咧，就係不定代名詞 indefinite pronouns。咁呢啲不定嘅代名詞啦，例如 each、everyone、nobody 咧，通常都係視為一個單數嘅。咁呢個好簡單嘅啫 ，everyone is happy today。我相信呢個自己睇一睇就可以明白噶啦。咁第四部分啦，由和 and 連接的主詞啦。咁 John and Mary 啦，多個人啦，所以佢係一個眾數，所以我哋亦都會用一個複數嘅動詞 are coming to the party。咁其實簡單啲講就係多過一個人咧，就用啲 are， 一個人就用 is 嘅。嗱 or 或者 nor 啊 ，neither nor either or 嗰啲咧，多過一個人都係用一啲複數動詞，即係 are 啊咁。嗱，咁呢一部分第六就比較特別啲嘅，主詞與動詞之間嘅插入片語嘅。咁乜嘢係呢個 phrase in between 咧？其實咧，佢就係講緊即係啲附加嘅資料 ，the book along with the notes， 其實就係補充緊 the book。所以咧，其實佢係一個整體，至少我哋英文係咁睇啦。咁如果佢係一個整體就用 is 嘅，就唔係用 are 嘅，因為佢唔係睇個 notes 嘅。其實佢係睇 the book along with the notes 作為一個整體嘅一樣東西喺嗰張台上面。咁第七部分啦，一啲不可數名詞啦，例如家具啊、資訊啊、設備啊，有一啲呢啲特別嘅字係不可數，咁我哋下面都會有個表嘅。咁最後啦，一啲書名、電影名或者組織名詞係比較特別嘅，例如復仇者，佢雖然英文係 The Avengers 係一個眾數，但其實因為佢係一個 title， 所以我哋會以嗰個 title 去作為一個重點，我哋就會用 is 嘅，唔會用 are 嘅，因為我哋唔係講緊個數量，我哋講緊嗰一樣嘢。好，咁好快講一講呢個練習啦。咁呢度嘅問題我都圈晒出嚟㗎啦，例如 The list of items are on the desk。其實我哋係講緊嗰一樣嘢，嗰個 list， 而唔係講緊 items， 所以係 is 嘅。嗱，第二部分又係一樣啦。Each of the players were wearing a blue jersey。我哋係講緊每一個，所以咧我哋會用 was 嘅。同埋第三部分又係啦，上面講過 the team， 我哋會用一個整體嚟睇呢個 team， 所以 the team is winning the championship this year。第四啦 ，neither nor 啦，係多過一個人嘅，所以我哋會用 are 啦。第五樣嘢啦。reasons 啊嘛 ，many reasons， 咁我哋應該用 there are many reasons 啦。咁第六樣嘢啦 ，as well as the puppies 係補充緊 dog 呢個資訊嘅，所以係用 is playing outside 嘅。第七樣嘢咧 ，everyone 咧，通常我哋都係會當 singular 啊嘛，同上面講嘅一樣，所以會用 has 啦。第八部分啦 ，the books on the shelf need to be organised 啦，以一個整體嚟講嘅。咁 mathematics 咧係一個科目， 唔係好多樣嘢，所以以一樣整體嚟講咧，我哋用 is 嘅。咁第10啦，新聞嚟講咧 ，the news 咧其實就係講我哋中文指嘅新聞啦，咁就係一樣嘢嘅，唔會講新聞。咁所以就用翻 is surprising。咁第11啦 ，the group of students 咧都係指緊一樣單數嘅整體嘅，所以就係 the group of students has arrived。咁12啦 ，either or 同 neither nor 啦，同 case 啦，畫一畫清楚先 ，neither the teacher nor 啦 ，either 啦 ，is are available 啦，同我哋上面呢個睇先。就係呢一部分嘅一模一樣嘅。咁攞一落翻去啦。好，咁我哋再補充埋啦。咁第13啦 ，the data is being analysed， 其實就應該係 are 嘅，因為喺 formal 嘅裏面咧，我哋會當 data 係一個數得到嘅事情嘅。咁第14咧 ，a number of students 啦，我哋講緊係有一個數量嘅，所以係依家用 are 嘅。同埋第15啦 ，the number of students is increasing 啦。嗱，呢兩個 case 其實好似，我哋睇一睇點解嘅。嗱 ，a number 咧 of 乜嘢咧，就係表示多數，需要用複數動詞，係好特別嘅。但係 the number of 咧就表示一個具體嘅數量嘅，咁就視為單數嘅。呢兩個 case 係我覺得係有機會撈亂嘅，所以係可以特別留意一下 a number of 同 the number 嘅一個唔同嘅分別啦。咁16啦。There were 2 options 啦，因為兩個選項啊嘛，係多過一個嘅。咁第17啦 ，the scissors，英文嘅話鉸剪咧就係一個多過一樣嘅嘢嚟嘅，所以 the scissors are on the table。咁18啦 ，one of my friends 其實就講真，我某一個朋友就等於舉個例啦，我哋個朋友叫 Tom 啦，咁 Tom has a dog 嘅，咁你就唔會講 Tom have a dog 嘅。咁第19啦，就係講緊 the police is investigating the case 嘅。咁 the police 咧呢度就講緊係好多個警察係以一個而唔係以一個整體，係講緊警察們正在調查呢個 case， 所以就用 are 嘅。咁20啦，講過 the furniture 啦，呢個係一個我哋會以一個uncountable noun 啦，需要用單數定詞，不可數名詞嘅呢個，所以咧我哋就最尾都會用翻 is 嘅。咁呢度就係下面嘅一啲解釋啦，如果有興趣嘅同學仔都可以 screenshot 一下嘅。咁呢度就係最後嗰個解釋啦。咁呢度好快講一講 explanation of countable and uncountable nouns 嘅。咁呢啲都係一啲我覺得好 common 嘅嘢啦，可以自己睇一睇嘅，就冇話特別需要記嘢。其實用得多咧，都大概會記得嘅一啲可數嘅名詞啊，呢啲大概望一望就好噶啦。其實可數嘅名詞好簡單講，就係可唔可以被量化，例如蘋果啊、書啊、貓呢啲都可以被量化，可以計得到嘅。咁啲不可數嘅名詞咧，就係例如水啊、空氣啊、糖。咁呢啲嘢你係唔可以話有幾多樣水或者幾多個空氣嘅。咁個分別就一啲 quantifiers 啦 ，some 啊、much 啊、little 啊、lot of 啊，或者單數嘅一啲可量化嘅時候就用 articles a and 嘅。咁呢個部分我哋之後有機會再講啦。咁呢度都係啲常見嘅 countable nouns 嘅，有興趣可以 screenshot 一下。咁呢啲 exercise 咧就比較簡單嘅，咁我就唔詳細講啦，係有 marking scheme 嘅，可以自己對一對嘅。好，咁今日咧就咁上下啦，咁就講到咁多嘅。咁如果大家有興趣咧，就可以再 follow 我哋呢個 page 啦，我哋會遲啲再 post 多啲 content 嘅，咁就謝謝大家啦。